What's up, YouTube? So got another video. Gonna be doing sway bar bushing replacement. My left side is bad, it's knocking the overpipe, so we're gonna swap that out with these polyethylene ones right here from Super Pro. Got a lubricant here, and yeah, let's get to it. Z40s. Gorgeous. Alright, so coming under, we got some bolts to take out, and then 3 of these clips on either side. To get out the shield. Take out these. Alright, so I managed to take it out without having to take out this subframe support bar. So they actually give you an access hole below here for this top bolt, and then you can access this one from the side here. And to take it out, you just jack up the lower control arm and you get enough clearance to pull it out. So this is the old one. This side was good actually, it's the other side that's bad. But weirdly, it wasn't cut, so I had to actually cut it to get it off. This is a new one. So I tap a slit here to slip on, and then we're gonna put the grease on it and put it back on there. Just move it up. slip it on. So there we have it. It is on. So just tightening up this guy. This bolt. See right here is the access hole. From there that goes straight up to that bolt there. So you don't have to drop it. Drop this piece here. She gave you a little access hole. Alright, so 10 hours later, it is installed.